video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sell more as a beginner on Depop. So when you're first starting off, it can be a little bit difficult to actually sell on Depop because you do not have the boost function, you do not have other functions that you get later on, and you're not as credible. So I'm going to show you how you can actually still sell as a beginner on Depop and still make sales and start your online income. To AliExpress. Now, if you're a beginner, this might be where you're starting, just looking at AliExpress. I'm just going to tell you to be careful and look out for certain things. Like, for example, this necklace here. It is a $2.89 necklace. However, it's on sale from $9. So if you list this, but then next week it stops being on sale and you sell it next week, you now have to pay the $9 to ship it for the product plus shipping plus taxes. So it's going to end up being like a $14 product. So if you only list it for $20 or $25, all of a sudden you're only making $5 or $10 from the product instead of that original $2 that $3 that you thought you were going to sell it for, and then have a $20 profit margin. So that's my first thing that you need to be careful of when you're looking for an item on Depop. It is also very important to find yourself a vendor, someone that has vendor links, because you look at this, it's got good ratings. These have all got good ratings, but you have no idea the quality of these products. You have no idea how long it takes to get to your house or the customer's house that buys from you. You have no idea if it's going to snap the second they open it. You've got no idea if the items are covered in Chinese writing. So that's why you need to find a good vendor link from someone that you trust so that you can buy their products that they've already tested. So for example, I've got a vendor link. I've tested all the products of them. They've all been shipped to my house, so I've tested the quality. There's no Chinese writing all over it. That way you're not going to get banned as a seller. So I would invest into a good vendor link. That would probably be what I'd recommend for you. And also just be careful if you don't invest in a good vendor link and you just want to just aimlessly browsing AliExpress and have a look for those things. Be careful. Alright guys, so I've just went through and picked a item from my supply list. As you can see, it's a decent item. It is currently on a sale, so I do need to watch out for that when listing it, because normally it is the $8.67. So I've just got to keep that in mind. I can't work my Depop price off of that $3.64. So I go through, got my photos of it, looking good. It has 10-day delivery, which I can confirm because I have had it shipped to my house and I've tested the quality. So this is what I'm going with, good reviews. I've tested it personally, so I'm going to go with this. Now I'll speed the video from here and show you me getting the photos. Okay, so I'm going to hit sell now and walk you through my next tips. So I've got my product here. You saw me take the screenshots. I'm going to upload them. Now, you need to make your account credible, especially as a brand new seller. That is 100% important for you to do. So this is my account that I work on for my YouTube videos that I show you guys. So I'm not leaking my personal stuff, but you need to make your account credible. So I've posted all of these while just doing YouTube videos to make myself look credible. I've got so many posts. So you need to be posting 3 times a day, at least 3 times a day for about 10 days. You'll end up with about 30 products, which is what I've got here. I've got probably a little more than 30 products here, but you want about 30 products. That's what you're aiming for. You need your 30 products. So that is very important to show both a potential buyer and to show Depop, the actual website itself, that you are credible, that you are serious, and that you're not just another dropshipper and you're not just some scammer on here. So make sure that you're posting 3 times a day for 10 days. That'll make you credible. That'll help with your viewings. That is very important. My next tip for you guys comes to the pricing and a bit of price psychology. So we're going to go back to the product here. My product here, it was $8. So I'm going to list it for, realistically, I want to sell it for about $25. So I'm going to list it for $35, right? This, just hang with me because there is a trick to this. So if we go post, it's sorted. Now we're going to go view listing. We're going to go, oh, no, sorry, it's in here. You go to selling hub. Sorry, my bad. I'm in this page in my selling hub. So again, this is my YouTube account. Still got $103, just showing you guys on YouTube that you can do it. Anyway, in the last week, but we'll go selling, active, we'll go edit, sorry, we'll go manage, and we're going to discount. So I originally had it listed for 35, but I said I'm happy with it to sell for 25. I'm going to show the people that it's 25% off, so it's $26.25. I'm going to discount that. That's now discounted, people are more likely to click on it knowing that it's discounted and that they're saving money. You know, I still wanted to list it at that $25 price mark. So all I've done, I've still listed it at that price, it's still that $26.25. But people are now thinking that they are getting themselves a deal. They think they're getting a bargain. They think that they're going to be saving money, and they're more likely going to want to buy your product over a product like this, say for example, even though similar prices, but this one doesn't seem as good a deal because it's not on a sale. So that's what you should do. Price your items higher, then come in and discount them. It's a good way for a bit of marketing psychology to get people to buy. Guys, for this video is going to be sending offers. So I did a bunch before I started this video to try to get some sales, because I'm always trying to get sales for this account. Then I realized I should stop and I should wait and do it with you guys. So what I'm going to do, send offer. It's already quite a cheap product, but I'll just go $15. You can have it for $14.90. Again, price psychology, cheaper than $15. Send offer. So that's sent to this person and 19 others. Let's see this one. You know, I'll give it to you for, I'll give you the same thing. I'll give it to you for $14.9. I should be going back and looking at the prices, but just for this YouTube one, I'm not too worried about my profits. It's more just showing you guys that you can actually sell it. Any other ones? Oh, this one's a good one. Now this is like an $8 product from memory into 24.9. Why not? So I've sent my offer off. I think this one as well, you know, 22.5. So that's what you need to do. You need to go through, you need to offer people deals, you need to offer people a cheaper price, because they're much more likely to buy at a cheaper price, because once again, they think they're getting a deal, a bit of price psychology. So you need to be sending off offers to anyone that likes your product. You need to be sending off offers to them, because they're more likely to buy this way, and it's a way for you to connect with potential customers. Now, they will be my few tips to help you guys as a beginner selling on Depop. If you guys do want any help, I do have a Telegram that helps people. It's Depop Hustle. I'll also leave a link in the description down below for you guys to join. You can message me privately. I have ebooks and resources and my supplier links in here. So join up if you think you'd want to do that, you'd want some help. Also, for those people that want to work one-on-one with me and work with a community, I do have a Discord that helps people. You know, we've got people making their sales in there. We've got people that get the ebook for free, all of that stuff. So if you guys want to join, you want any help, join the Telegram, you can join the Discord, and I'm there to help you guys on your Depop journey, to make your first money online, and to scale upwards. Thanks, guys.